Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 breakfast recipes that will actually make your mornings feel good. So, let's get started. Stop making boring breakfast. Instead, make this. While my breakfast is still a little warm, I wanted to share this with you. You know, those slow mornings when you are not in a rush, when you actually want to take your time and enjoy your food? This is that kind of breakfast. It's comforting, a little indulgent, and I also made it high protein because let's be honest, we are all protein pugloos these days. So, here's my idli shakshuka, and I hope you really try this recipe. बहुत अच्छा है सच्चे में. Honestly, it's such a privilege to cook your own food, to make whatever you're craving whenever you want. No rules, no waiting. Just you and your comfort food. And today I was craving something cheesy, spicy, and warm. Some mornings you just want a proper protein packed breakfast, right? And since we are all trying to hit our protein goals these days, this one's perfect. It's a quick besan chila with paneer stuffing, super easy, super filling, and honestly, so good. If there is one sandwich I have been making again and again, it's this avocado cheese grilled sandwich. Creamy, cheesy, crispy, and so easy to make. The go to recipe when you want something quick, tasty, and refreshing in the morning. Then easy and healthy vegetable quinoa recipe. It's light, filling, and perfect for those days when you want something quick but nutritious. Just saute your veggies, add cooked quinoa, mix in some simple spices, and that's it. Super simple, super wholesome, and really delicious. If you follow me, you probably already know how much I love good breakfast. And whenever I get some time, I always try to make something new. And since you guys really loved the sweet potato recipe I shared last time, I thought, why not try another one? Honestly, this wasn't even the first plan. I tried making something else before this, but that didn't work out. So this is actually the second version, and trust me, it turned out way better than expected. It was super soft, really delicious, and my parents absolutely loved it. And once I sprinkled some chaat masala on top, it took the whole thing to another level. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Hope you enjoyed these recipes. Thanks so much for watching.